My name is Ilkay Ulusoy. I'm Operation Manager in Contract Logistics Department, and I'm responsible for the management of all process of the relevant contract. There are two facilities in Kocaeli, Turkey, and these are operate as a distribution center, and there's a value-added service for our customer products. We have major operation with the strong team. Totally 220 employees work in two facilities, and 100 of them work in value-added services. Our customers are food services, and we are managing mainly chips handling.
Bas operasyonlarımızda iş hacmine bağlı olarak 300 kişi çalışmaktadır. Etiketleme, kolileme, şirinkleme, montaj hattı, standlar, rework operasyonları yaparak yılda 16.000 adet ürün elleştiriyor.
The co-packing industry, which involves the outsourcing of packing and related services to third-party provider, faces number of challenges in today's market. Some of the biggest challenges include increasing competition between service providers, rising costs, supply chain disruptions, especially after COVID process, shorter lead times, complexity of products.
Before Nulogy, our operations had access that were all manually, and we needed to wait for all the data to be generated to take an action.
One of the main benefits of co-packing softwares is that it allows manufacturers and co-packers to quickly and easily adapt to changes in customer demand. The software can help them manage production schedules and inventory levels, ensuring that they have the resources and materials necessary to meet customer orders in timely manner. By using Nulogy, we can increase the operational efficiency and reduce costs. This can ultimately lead to better customer service and more competitive pricing, as businesses can more quickly and accurately fulfill customer orders and respond to customer needs.
Nulogy provides a real-time and accurate data to our operations and customers. The operations can customize the reports to follow up their KPIs according to their need. Nulogy's industry-specific focus, cloud-based platform, user-friendly interface, and innovative technology made it stand out from the other software solutions and excellent fit for the digitalization strategy. Increasing efficiency, improving data accuracy, cost savings, and improving customer satisfaction are the most valuable results of using Nulogy.
Nulogy kullanımı, süreçlerin dijitalleşmesi açısından önemli bir adım oldu. Özellikle data formlarını soft ortama aktarmamız çok fazla iş gücü gerektiriyordu. Bu süreçte ciddi tasarruf sağlandı. Nulogy sayesinde at üretkenliğini anlık olarak izleyebiliyor olmamız